Hey everyone! Welcome back to another fun tutorial. In this video, we're going to create a cool and simple chase game where a beetle flies around in space and eats strawberries to score points. Sounds fun? Let's get started. First, let's head over to the sprite library and choose our player character. Search for beetle and click on it. This is going to be our main sprite, the one we'll control using the keyboard. Now, let's give our stage some style. Click on the backdrop icon and select the star's background. This will make it look like the beetle is flying in outer space. Alright, time to bring the beetle to life. Let's make it move with the arrow keys. Start by dragging out the block, when green flag clicked. This means everything we place under it will run when we start the game by clicking the green flag. Next, add a forever loop. Why forever? Because we want our program to keep checking over and over if any key is being pressed, not just once, but as long as the game is running. Now let's handle the first direction right. Add an if-then block inside the forever loop, and use the sensing block key right arrow pressed inside it. If the right arrow is pressed, we use the point in direction 90 block, which means face right. Then add move 10 steps so the beetle moves forward in that direction. Repeat the same process for the left arrow. Use point in direction -90 which means face left and move 10 steps again. For the up arrow, we point in direction 0, which is straight up. And for the down arrow, point in direction 180, which means down. Now the beetle can move in all four directions, making it super easy to chase objects around the screen. Absolutely! There's an alternate version of the beetle movement using change X and change Y blocks, just like in our previous video, where movement didn't rely on rotation or pointing direction. You can use this version in your game if you want the beetle to move in all directions without turning or rotating. Check out the video for reference. Next, let's add something for the beetle to catch. Click on the sprite library and select the strawberry sprite. This will be the item our beetle chases around the screen. Now, we'll make the strawberry jump to random places every second. Start with when green flag clicked, then add a forever loop. Inside it, place a go to random position block. Then add a wait 1 second block to make it appear somewhere new every second. Let's make the game interactive now. We want the score to go up whenever the beetle touches the strawberry. Add another script for the strawberry. Now let's make the game more interesting by adding a score. Go to the variables section and click make a variable, then name it score. Make sure to check the box next to the variable. If you don't, the score won't be visible on the screen. Alright, now let's continue coding. Start with when green flag clicked, then set the score to 0. This resets the score every time we start the game. Next, add a forever loop with an if block that checks if the strawberry is touching the beetle. If true, first play a fun sound like chomp. Then, use change score by 1 to increase the score. Now every time the beetle touches the strawberry, the player scores a point and hears a chomp. Now it's time to test it out. Click the green flag, use the arrow keys to move the beetle. Chase down the strawberry, and collect as many as you can while watching your score go up. Try playing a few times and see how many strawberries you can catch in 30 seconds. And that's it. You've just built a fun little game in PictoBlox using sprites, motion, sensing, sound, and a working score system. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun projects with PictoBlox. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding!